Henrik, I want to hear from you a little bit on that SRE perspective. You're on the front edge with your customers. You guys provide a great platform out there, and you know, a lot of what you provide kind of feeds into this this mindset. So, you know, maybe you could give us your perspective and what you're hearing from your customers on the SRE front.
I think a lot of customers, they make the effort to implement this philosophy internally. And they start obviously naturally with the CI/CD, which is Niall mentioned about it. Say, I'm DevOps, I'm doing CI/CD, and suddenly they try to put some quality gates there, and they realize that as a constraint that they have a lot of manual tasks within their automated process, where technically when you're doing automations, you expect to have everything automated, but in the field, you see that you discover that between step, let's say, testing validations and going to production, there is like a 35 hours or 60 or even more sometimes, where you have to wait that someone comes in, look at the results, and give his feedback, and then share it to someone else, and someone else says, yes, we can go to production. And that doesn't make sense. So that's where most of the customers that reached out to us was related to, how can I be more efficient in my automation? How can I be more efficient if I have an issue in production to auto-remediate that issue? And I think the notion of, we will talk about it later on, but SLI and an SLO is basically the first brick that allow you to be confident on the results of your tests and to be able to automate your test, your deployment or your remediation. So that's most of the customers that reach out to us. It could be from the banking industry, it can be from retailers, or it can be even government institutions. They are all worried about that. So how can I be more efficient when I deliver software without waiting hours and hours and hours? And I think this is a great, I would say, way of extending the automation using those SRE concepts.